So now we are going to have a detailed look about the various tags in HTML. Okay, HTML itself is a tag. Along with that, we are going to see various other tags also in detail. Is it clear? So as we have learned, okay, as we have learned in the previous session, HTML is a starting tag. HTML is the starting tag. So your entire document is placed between, is your entire document is placed between HTML and close HTML. Your entire document is placed between HTML and close HTML. Okay. So this is the first and the last tag. So this is the first and the last tag. In between this only, you will be having your head and body section. In between this only, you will be having your head and body section. Is this part clear? So your entire document is going to be placed between your HTML and close HTML, which means this will be the first tag, this will be the first tag, and this will be the last tag. Close HTML will be the last tag. So in between this, in between your open HTML and close HTML only, you will be having your head and body section. Head and body section are embedded within this. Okay. So along with this HTML tag, there are certain attributes also added with it. Okay. There are two important attributes added along with it. Okay. And the important attributes and the values that I am going to specify. Okay. So now listen. DIR. Most of your attributes are written like this. Some will have 3 letters, some will have 4 letters, some will have an entire word itself. Okay. Some will have 3 letters, some will have 4 letters, some will have a short word also. Okay. Meaningful word also as your attributes. So DIR. DIR means direction. Direction is written in short as DIR. Is it clear? DIR means the direction of the text to be displayed. Direction of the text to be displayed. What is the importance of this direction? What is the importance of this direction? Appo idinte values is written as RTL and LTR. The values are written as RTL and LTR. RTL means right to left. RTL means right to left. LTR means left to right. LTR means left to right. So one simple example if I give. When you are writing in your notebook, നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ in which direction are you writing? അതായത് നോട്ടിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ. So from the left side of the margin തൊട്ടാണ് എഴുതി പോണത്. Your margin is onto your left hand side. Yes or no? Your margin is onto your left hand side. So left irunnu you are starting and moving on towards the right side. That is what is the meaning of LTR. Is it clear? That is what is the meaning of LTR. So English language. See, this has got an importance with the language also. Appo nammade note il ezhudumbo, whether it is English or Maths, whatever subject, okay, don't bother about that. When you are writing it in your notebook in English language, you are writing it in the direction LTR. You are writing it in the direction LTR. Default title, your value is LTR. Default attribute to value is LTR. Idu koduthalum kodutillengilum it is optional. Whether you give this or not, it is optional. Whether you give this or not is optional. Okay. Next value is RTL. Next value is RTL. This I'll explain along with this language attribute. This I'll explain along with this language attribute. Why I'll take it. Okay. LANG means language. LANG means it is language. Is it clear? We use values as referred in the table. Now see this table. Now see, please see this table. ഇതാണ് ഒരു table. Okay. Code EN, which means language is English. FR, if it is French. DE means, sorry, it is GE, okay, German. IT, Italian. Now come to this. AR is Arabic. AR is Arabic. Have you, Urdu, Arabic language, especially, please, I am not mentioning specifying any Muslim students over here, especially when you learn about Arabic, Urdu ezhuthi padikkumbol, Arabic ezhuthi padikkumbol, which side are you started to write? Edu side il irunana ezhudan thodanganathu? You always start to write from your right hand side. Your Arabic language or your Urdu language is written from the right hand side. Avarde notebook margins, if you see, okay, when you start writing, they will be writing it from the right hand side. Yes or no, Amal Mohammed? Yes or no, Amal Mohammed? So your Urdu or your Arabic language is written from your right hand side. So that is why language plays a vital role over here. I'm not sure about any other languages, okay, but this I am very sure, Urdu and your Arabic language, okay. So language plays a vital role. Appa what happens when you are having a language known as Arabic? When you are having a language known as Arabic, what is the direction for writing? RTL. Is it clear? When you have a language, you are going to use your Arabic language for designing your web page, compulsorily the direction of writing should be RTL. Is this part clear? Is this part clear? That is, it has got attributes. HTML tag itself has got some attributes. So, in that, HTML tag itself has got some attributes. That is, HTML will be placed inside your open and close HTML. So the attributes here are your direction, and the value for that is RTL and LTR. Another attribute is your language, which is very essential when you are using your Arabic language. When you are using your Arabic language, their style of writing is from right to left. So at that time, this language and direction attributes is very essential. At that time, this language and direction attribute is very essential. Is it clear? If it is for your English, Hindi, Marathi, French and all, this specifying your direction and language attribute is optional. If it is English alone, sorry, if it is English, specifying your language attribute is optional. If it is English, specifying your language attribute is optional. If it is any other language, means you have to specify your language. Direction is very essential if it is Arabic. Direction is very essential if it is Arabic. Is this part clear for you? Is there any doubt till this? Is there any doubt till this?
No.
Yes?
No, no doubt.
Okay. So your
No.
HTML contains two sections. That is your head section and your body section. Upon head section, what are the informations that you're going to hold? What are the information that you're going to hold? So it contains some important details about the document, the script and the styles used. The script and the styles used. Script in the sense, the scripting languages, those things could be embedded within the head section. Important details about the document. Script means various scripting languages used and the various styles that are used for your formatting works and all these. Okay. So it is again a container tag. It is again a container tag. Okay. Example we'll be seeing one by one. And the next is your title. The next is your title. So to create a title. Now, HTML document, if you want to give a title for your document, if you want to give a title for your document, so this can be used. So it appears on the browser's title bar. Browser the title bar, okay? Browser the title bar, this title what you are specifying in the document will be seen. Okay, the title what you are giving for your document will be seen on the title bar. Search engine uses this title to identify the page. Appa ee title kodukkanathu is essential because with the help of this only it is going to identify the pages. Okay. So it is placed inside the head tag. It is placed inside the head tag. Again, this is a container tag. Again, your title tag is a container tag. Again, your title tag is also a container tag. So this is also a container tag. അപ്പോൾ title ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് എഴുതുക. Title. Sorry. Title. So you can give some details over here and then you can close it like this. So this is how you will be writing. So this is again a container tag. Is this part clear? So before I could move, it is easy for you to understand the errors also. Is it clear? So here spellings are very important. Here spellings are very important. Is it clear? So HTML is your opening tag. Head section I have written, and then I have written the title section. Okay, and then close head and then close body. And then in this place, whatever contents I would like to place, I can place it. Okay. So now I have to save my file. Now I have to save my file. So how already my file is saved. Now I'll click on to save as option. Where I would like to save, I'll save it. I'll save it as, okay, name I have given as sample.html I will give. Okay, sample.html I'll give, and I have saved my file. Okay, it's already saved. That's why it's asking for a replace. So my file is saved. Okay, and what I have to do is I have to double click on the location where I have saved it. So immediately a browser like this will be opened for you. Immediately a browser like this will be opened for you. Okay, so now after saving, since I have saved the file, I'll just click onto the refresh button. Can you see the contents that are placed